the best ways to ask someone out without being too clingy. Organize a themed game night and invite them to be your partner. Offer to explore a local museum or art gallery together. Plan a culinary adventure by trying out a new ethnic cuisine or food truck. Invite them to a stargazing event or a night of meteor shower watching. Challenge them to a friendly competition like mini golf or bowling. Ask if they'd like to join you for a scenic bike ride or hike. Suggest a photo safari where you both capture the beauty of your city or town through photography. Invite them to a fun workshop or class, such as painting, pottery, or cooking. Propose a new day of relaxation by visiting a botanical garden or attending a yoga session together. Set up a picnic at a local park or beach and ask if they'd like to join you for some outdoor dining.